Highness Sheikh Majid bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum inaugurates the first amber clinic in the UAE. OPEC praises UAE for its contribution to world energy security. And Pakistan struggles to curb dengue fever outbreak. This is 7 National News. In our top story this evening, His Highness Sheikh Majid bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Chairman of the Dubai Culture and Arts Authority, inaugurated the first Amber Clinic today. The clinic will offer a wide range of medical services and is built with an investment of 25 million dirhams by Gulf Healthcare International. GHI also revealed a 100 million dirham expansion program over the coming months. Current government spending on quality healthcare is estimated at 2.7% of the total GDP. It is forecast that healthcare spending is going to also rise over the next 5 years. The highlight of the clinic, which is based in Dira, is the state-of-the-art physiotherapy rehabilitation unit. Officials expect a local following of over 300,000 patients, and the clinic will be staffed by medical experts across 15 specialty and primary care departments.
What we've done is we've opened this first centre in Riga Road today, which I think raises the bar to a different level against most other practices in the region. The main thing is that you have a team of up to 20 doctors working together for the benefit of the patient.
The biggest exciting parts of this clinic is that it's in an area of Dubai where there is nothing of this scale, this scope. It's multinational. The doctors that we will be employing here and the staff come from many different nationalities, so we can provide a multicultural service, and at the same time that will be overseen by the quality framework and clinical governance frameworks that we promote and advocate within any healthcare system, and certainly within Gulf Healthcare International.
The UAE Ministry of Environment and Water spearheaded the launch of the Emirates Appreciation Award for the Environment. According to senior officials, the latest initiative from His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Vice President and Prime Minister of the UAE and ruler of Dubai, aims to honour and further encourage the local community's efforts towards a sustainable environment. Khadija Salih has this report.
In the last decade, the landscape of the UAE has changed, particularly in Dubai. Along with this development, the public's environmental awareness also improved. Various projects from different government sectors, organizations, and individuals saw an increase in initiatives geared towards a sustainable environment. His Excellency Dr. Rashid Ahmad bin Fahad, UAE Minister of Environment and Water, spearheaded the launch of a 1 million dirham award in recognition of these efforts.
Having such a prize for the Emirates, also that to complement the big prize and also to give recognition to the effort here in the UAE. We believe that the UAE society deserves such a prize, which is from His Highness Sheikh Mohammed, and also shows his support and his commitment to make the UAE is really always a number one in all aspects.
The award follows the 15-year success of the Zayed International Prize for the Environment. It has honored initiatives, organizations, governments, and people who have contributed largely to a greener planet. Among the recent winners awarded earlier in March this year is South Korea's President Lee Myung-bak.
We are, since the 17th or the 14th century, when the industrial area, they started their planning for economic development and social development and urbanization. Nobody is caring about environment. Now we need to change. Now they open their eyes, they wake up, and they found there are problems. To stabilize the things, it needs also hard work. And the initiatives, like Emirates Appreciation Prize, is one of the initiatives that will bring a positive results, like what we established 15 years ago, the International Prize for the Environment.
In addition, the committee says the environment consciousness in the community has matured and resulted to an increase in campaigns such as can collection, tree planting, conversion of cars to biodiesel, as well as recycling and cleanup drives. The Emirates Appreciation Prize for the Environment has 5 categories, wherein the winners will get 200,000 dirhams, and everyone is encouraged to send in their entries for the following categories before the end of December this year. Khadija Salih, 7 National News.
Deadlines have been set by the Board of Trustees of the Emirates Identity Authority for UAE nationals as well as expatriates to submit or renew applications for Emirates ID cards in order to avoid being subjected to a delay fee. However, according to Deputy Prime Minister, Minister of Interior and Vice Chairman of the Board, His Highness Lieutenant General Sheikh Saif bin Zayed, children, both nationals and residents under 15 years of age, will be exempted from the late fee until October 1st, 2012. The fees range from 20 dirham to 1,000 dirhams per day. The exceptions also apply to individuals with special needs and those covered by Social Security. The deadlines require UAE nationals to have their ID cards in place latest by October 2011. Late fees applications for expatriates, however, will be rolled out in 4 phases, with each phase focusing on a separate emirate. In addition, cardholders will be allowed only 30 days to renew cards from the date of expiry and inform of any changes in their personal data. Construction leaders in the UAE discussed and debated over the future of the industry in the country and region in a lead-up to the PMV and Middle East concrete exhibitions at the Big Five in November. According to them, while the construction industry is still recovering, they have seen activity picking up. 2011 has been a productive year so far, and despite the repercussions of the global economic condition in the last 2 years, they say the situation is now stable with a 50% correction in the local market. So they are confident that 2012 will be an even more exciting year, brought about by demand from various sectors.
Now, I believe and I feel, and according to all our analysis, the market has stabilized, and we feel small growth now. So the tendency is good again in the construction market, and we believe that 2012, 2013, we will have really profitable and good growth in the market.
In addition, experts say the GCC region is also playing an important part in the industry's demand at present. Along with this, they say best practices are also being widely adapted, a welcome improvement to a few years back.
I would say on relatively standard, easy job sites, I think we have now reached a level of safety practices which for most contractors is quite satisfactory.
Looking abroad now, Pakistani authorities, already under pressure to help hundreds of thousands of flood victims, are also struggling to contain a dengue fever outbreak, which has killed at least a dozen people. Around 4,400 cases of the mosquito-borne disease have been reported in the central Punjab province over the past 2 months, forcing the provincial government on Tuesday to close down schools for 10 days. Health experts say the illness is spreading across Punjab because of poor hygiene conditions. Also, heavy monsoon rains are providing a breeding ground for the mosquitoes. The death toll is projected to rise, and Pakistan's neighbours have offered to help. Sri Lanka is sending a team of experts, and media reports say India is also providing assistance. The disease is a threat to nearly half of the world's population. Of the estimated 220 million people affected each year, 2 million, mostly children in Latin America and in Asia, develop a severe fever. There is currently no vaccine or cure for the disease. At least 4 people are dead in floods that have inundated towns near the Thai border over the last week. Local TV showed footage of flooded streets on Wednesday, with only the roof showing above floodwaters in some towns. The flooding began last week in the Kompong Ton province and have affected a number of provinces across the country, damaging homes, roads and destroying crops. The Cambodia Daily reported more than 3,237 hectares of rice fields are underwater in many of the affected provinces. Up next, we have the day's business news for you, so stay with us.